So I'm going to start with my WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to create a new page. And I'm not going to link this page to my navigation bar. It's just going to be a standalone page that will end up being in my Instagram bio. So I have my new page. I'm going to name it Landing Page Sample. And I am going to change the visibility to make it private just for this purpose. And I'm going to also change the template to be the Elementor canvas. I want a blank page to work with. I don't want any existing logos or navigation bars on this page. And then I'm going to edit it in Elementor. So we're heading over there, and this really gives us a lot of customization options. So I'm going to start with this blank canvas, and I'm going to add my logo. So I'm going to bring over an image, and I already have all my images within my library. So I'm going to just select my logo and insert it here. It's a little big, so let's try 300 by 300, maybe a little smaller. Let's try 150 by 150. Too small. Let's go back up to 300 by 300. And then you may want to, I'm going to go ahead and actually add another image. I'm going to add just a little customized touch to it, a picture, which this is a little bit large. I'm going to change this to 300 by 300. Perfect. And then you might want to add some text here. A little description of your page. I chose not to do this, but you would just add it here. And then I'm going to dive right in to creating my buttons. So as you can see, they're pretty small. You can left align it, you can center align it, right align it. I choose to justify it, so it's one long bar, and I want the text to be a little bit larger. So this first one, I'm going to have linked to my blog. And I'm going to put my blog URL right here. And I'm going to add some link options. I'm going to open it in a new window and add a nofollow link. And I'm going to add a little icon. So you can search through a bunch of icons. Link, that seems pretty ideal for my blog button. And you can change the way the icon is spaced with the text. And you can also change the position. You could have it before or after the text. I'm choosing before. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a second button. For these purposes, I'm only going to do a couple, maybe 3, just to give you an idea. I'm going to justify it, make it larger. And for this one, I'm going to do I'll do my Facebook. And so I'm going to add my Facebook link. Actually, you know what? I am adding it to the wrong spot, so I'm going to put it in the correct spot under the link section. And here is where I will label my button. So I'm going to put Facebook. And I'm going to search. Actually, first I'm going to add some link options, nofollow, open in a new window, and I'm going to find my Facebook icon that I want to use. Okay? So I have that button, and let's go ahead and add one more. So I'm going to put my third button, I'm going to justify it, I'm going to make the text larger. Let's have this one be my Pinterest button. I'm going to put my Pinterest link right here, pinterest.com. And I'll go ahead and do the same thing. I will add a nofollow and open up this in a new window. And then I will search for my Pinterest button. A few options, I'll insert that one. And there we go. So this clearly is already customized to my brand, but if you want to personalize your colors, you would go up to the style option and change the background color. And you would put your color here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of lighten the buttons as I go down to kind of create an ombre look. So for my Facebook one, I will go into the colors, background color, Oh, I need to actually clear the color first, enter my color code, and then I'm going to pull this to lighten it slightly. Yep, right there. And then I'm going to do the same thing for my Pinterest. And enter my color code, lighten it a little more than the previous button, and there you have it. And then clearly if you have more buttons, it's going to create a more faded look. So I'm now going to add some social icons. This is going to be a little repetitive of the above buttons. Typically the above buttons would be websites that you want to bring your followers to, but I'm just going to add my social icons. First one, I'll do my Facebook page, and I'll add the link right here. And I'm going to add a no follow, and then I'm going to customize my color to my brand. So I'll put that right in the primary color. And I have to clear that and put it in right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and change Twitter. Let's just go ahead and change that to Instagram so you can see you can personalize these social icons however you want. All right, and I'm going to customize my color to my brand again. Okay. Oh, and I need to put my Instagram URL right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that last one. And then there's some options for how you want these little icons to look. This is a rounded square. You can make it a straight edge square, or you can do a circle. So I'm going to stick with rounded square. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to update my page. And I'm going to go ahead and go back to the WordPress dashboard. And here you can see the URL page. So this is what you would copy and put into your Instagram bio. So you would edit your profile and you would paste it right there. I'm not going to do it because I already have my page set up, but this is what my page looks like on my Instagram link. Super easy. All my links are there. Social icons, and you're done.